Meet the kimchee bird, a bird that lives by saltwater lakes and eats the Noeb berries that grow on the lake. These birds travel in groups of 5 or 6 typically and live in tree hollows. However, the kimchee bird has one fatal flaw. Its wings can't get wet, or else it will be unable to fly and be left behind by its pack, thus destined to live alone or more likely to perish. The Noeb berries that the kimchee bird eat grow in and on saltwater lakes. It's important that the kimchee bird avoid any berries that lay beneath the water's surface, or else they will be drowned. Here we have the Noeb berries themselves, the prey of the kimchee birds. It's apparent that some berries reach the surface of water, while others lay below in the murky depths. Although the berries that grow on shorter tendrils do not get as much sun, there are a few advantages to being so far below the water's surface. The shorter stem prevents the kimchee bird from eating the plant, thus increasing the plant's chance of survival. Fossil records suggest that the Noeb plants were once all long-stemmed, but over time they may have evolved. Today, both plants bloom in abundance, but the survival rates of the short-stemmed plants look much more promising than that of the long-stemmed plants. With no other natural predators, the Noeb plant flourishes under the water. The berries are poisonous to all creatures that they share the lake with, except for the funky frog, which lives in small colonies and preys mainly on small fish, with Noeb berries being a second choice. The frog keeps the Noeb berry population in check and therefore maintains the peace of the ecosystem. Scientists have been studying the evolving state of the Noeb plant and are currently studying the survival rate of each different Noeb plant in order to predict the future of the species. Here are the tests now. As you can see, the observations of these scientists led the scientific community to believe that the Noeb plant will continue to evolve. Based on the Noeb reproduction rate, in approximately 10 years, about 10% of the Noeb plants will be long-stemmed and the remaining 90% will be short-stemmed. The unique and isolated habitat of the kimchee bird and Noeb plants will allow the rapid evolution of the species as a whole. In fact, this may be the end of the kimchee bird altogether, unless it evolves as the Noeb berry most likely did.